Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to design a real-time machine learning system that predicts crypto prices. Let's get started. Spoiler alert, this video won't make you a millionaire, but it will have you learn the tools to build systems that, together with lots of iterations, can help you make some money. So let's get started. So the first step is to build the feature pipeline. This is a program that is constantly ingesting data from an external WebSocket, for example, from the Kraken API, processing these raw trades into technical indicators, which, for example, human traders use to generate predictions, and then you save these final features into a feature store. The second pipeline that you need to build is the training pipeline. This is a program that takes historical features that you saved in the feature store, splits the data into trained data and test data, and generates a good predictive model. Now, predicting crypto prices is extremely difficult, so at this point, I suggest you start with simple models. Otherwise, if you use very complex models, you will most likely overfit, so your models will look great when you train them, but they will look catastrophic when you test them. Once you've trained the model, you push it to the model registry. And the third step is to build the inference pipeline. In this case, we're building a REST API. So when we start the API, it needs to fetch one thing, which is the model artifact from the model registry. And then when a request pings the API and says, tell me what's going to be the price of Ethereum in the next minute, the REST API needs to connect in real time with the feature store, fetch the most recent batch of technical indicators, send them to the model, and output the prediction. So this is how all the system works. This is a very basic system that you can improve in many ways. For example, the best way to improve a system is to create more feature pipelines. So apart from technical indicators, you can also ingest, for example, news in real time. So you can create a second pipeline that connects, for example, to the Alpaca News API, which is constantly ingesting news relevant to cryptos in real time, and is doing either summarization, for example, and you feed down to an LLM, or computing sentiment analysis in real time. So these are two signals that you can add to your training data, that you can add to the model when you train it, so you can improve the performance. Having said all this, predicting crypto prices is extremely complicated. So if your model is able to be just a little bit better than a simple baseline, you're doing a great job. If you like this video and want to receive more hands-on content on machine learning, be sure to subscribe.